Starting a new job at sea can feel, well, a bit complicated. But in Greece, when it comes to your social security, you really don't need to worry. Once you're hired, your employer takes care of everything: registration, contributions, and compliance, directly with EFKA, the Greek social security system. EFKA is Greece's national social security institution. It provides you with healthcare coverage, pension contributions, unemployment protection, and family benefits. And the best part? Your employer registers you automatically. By law, it is the employer's responsibility to register you in EFKA once you sign a contract, report your working periods, and pay your monthly social security contributions. This ensures that your rights are active from day one, without you filling out extra forms. For seafarers, this is peace of mind. Every contract you complete is recorded in the EFKA system. That means every voyage counts toward your healthcare, pension, and benefits. Whether you work a few months or many years, your time at sea is always secured. Each month, part of your wage is automatically contributed to EFKA. You don't have to transfer money or submit receipts. It's handled by your employer. Those contributions then unlock your benefits, free hospital care, subsidized medicines, retirement savings, and more. Employers are legally required to comply with EFKA rules. That means your rights are protected not just in practice, but also by law. If you work in Greece under EFKA, you are treated the same as any Greek worker, with equal protection and benefits. So remember, once you are hired, you don't have to worry about registration or contributions. Your employer handles it, EFKA secures it, and you enjoy the benefits. Because at sea, your focus should be on your career, not the paperwork.